Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Update 2025. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting sports cars of the year, the all-new Aston Martin Vantage. This car has always been a blend of performance, luxury, and pure British craftsmanship, and the 2025 model takes things to the next level. Let's start with the design. The new Vantage keeps that signature aggressive stance but refines it with sharper aerodynamics, a wider grille, and a more sculpted body. The headlights have been redesigned for a sleeker, more modern look, and at the rear, you'll notice a more pronounced diffuser and slim, elegant taillights. The car just looks fast, even when it's standing still. Under the hood, the 2025 Vantage packs a serious punch. It comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, sourced from Mercedes-AMG, pushing out over 650 horsepower. That's a major upgrade from the previous model, making this the most powerful Vantage yet. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth but aggressive shifts, and of course, there's a rear-wheel drive setup for the ultimate driving experience. Performance-wise, this beast sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. The chassis has been reworked for improved handling, and the adaptive suspension system ensures a balance between comfort and track-ready stiffness. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing it to the limit on a racetrack, this Vantage delivers. Step inside, and it's a perfect mix of luxury and driver-focused design. High-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and a fully digital driver's display make it feel ultra-modern while still retaining that classic Aston Martin charm. The infotainment system has been upgraded, featuring a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, the premium sound system ensures that whether you're listening to the roar of the engine or your favorite playlist, it sounds incredible. Safety and tech features are top-notch, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for added confidence behind the wheel. Aston Martin has clearly put effort into making this Vantage not just a performance machine but also a more practical sports car for daily use. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is an absolute powerhouse. It's faster, more refined, and loaded with cutting-edge technology while keeping that raw, emotional driving experience that makes Aston Martin special. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the brand, this is a car that demands attention. That wraps up today's review. What do you think of the new Vantage? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates, and I'll see you in the next one.